How do you feel to be a salmon leaping upriver?
Our city's historic first shipyard. We must document this moment in our first edition. A perfect snapshot to illustrate history in the making.
So you build ships like your father. Well, the Queen is in the direst need of ships. Supporting her will go some way to healing the wounds of the past.
A commission for the Royal Fleet, and in such quantity. A rare honor indeed. The weaponry they ask for presents a problem. I'm not even sure we have an iron load, do we?
I know where you're ready to. Justice served.
I see the iron is beyond our reach. We have no choice but to find a way through the mountain.
Still have a few sticks of dynamite. We can blow our way through.
What right do those idiots have to tell the people what to think, who to be, what to do?
Perhaps not refined enough for your sister, but at least your workers can start their dig.
Aldo? are you both doing? Demolition is a serious matter wanting proper expertise. Father used Mr. Ticker on account of his good sense. Go on. I suggest you find him in Bright Sands.
After the picket protests, many fine men left Bright Sands to join you. Then Edvard struck back. He imprisoned all who were close to your father, including my beloved Thomas. My husband and the others were deported to Wormway's prison, and I've heard nothing from him ever since. If you do find him unharmed, prithee tell him his wife yearns for his return.
We are nearing the place your father died. Whatever happens, stay calm.
So there you are, the traitor's children.
How dare you?
Oh, spare me the nauseating drivel. Flogging Queenie's peachy island in the New World to some rebel upstarts? Ha! Traitor is too generous a word.
Father would never have. He was the Queen's stalwart, a member of the Royal Council.
He hung himself in one of my cells. I'd call that a rather conclusive admission of guilt.
We did not come here to be insulted. We came to strike a bargain. The demolition man, Thomas. We want him.
Oh, I vaguely remember him. Stubborn, with a loose mouth, just as innocent as all the others. He is small fry. A bail has been set. Pay every penny of his money, and I will place him immediately at your disposal. I can't think why he'd be worth anything. Everyone here is beyond redemption.
I'm not going to tell you your father wasn't a traitor. I'd do anything to dodge Mr. Bleakworth's treadmill, but no, I'm not your expert.
The way Mr. Bleakworth treats us, I don't blame your father for bowing out with his dignity. Demolition? I could demolish a proper breakfast.
Back to yourselves.
Done. Traitor or not, Samuel wouldn't have wanted his people to suffer for it.
Ship constructed.
Forget escape. And to what? Edvard's new vision for Bright Sands?
Samuel Goods, engineer. Aye, that's me. Who's asking?
We assist however we may. Stations.
Ah, yes, the bright... That's the least I'm due for my suffering. If you pop off now, buckaroo! Anyone for croquet?
My curiosities come from far and wide. For the more discerning customer.
Ship constructed.
Aye.
That's the least I'm due for my suffering.
I'm still waiting for the boom.
We earned this.
Sweet as honey.